High up in the bright blue sky lived a buzzard named Buzz. Buzz had big wings, sharp eyes, and a very loud voice. But there was one problem. Buzz loved to brag. I'm the biggest. I'm the strongest. I'm the best flyer of all. Buzz laughed at the smaller birds and never listened to anyone else. One day, Buzz tried to show off again. But this time, his wings grew tired and he couldn't fly as high as before. The little birds didn't laugh. They helped him. Buzz finally understood something important. Being strong isn't about showing off. Being great isn't about being loud. True strength comes from kindness, listening, and helping others. From that day on, Buzz still flew high, but now he flew with a humble heart